students, in today's video we are going to study about the methods of prevention of communicable diseases. When someone is suffering from communicable diseases in our homes, we can disinfect the articles used by the patient. We can use Dettol to wash the clothes of the patient. We can put the plates and the other things such as the spoons, forks, etc. used by the person in hot water to kill the germs. The floors and the walls of the rooms should be sprayed with disinfectants. So by these methods we can prevent the spreading of communicable disease. Children suffering from communicable diseases should not be allowed to go to school. In the school there are many students. In a class also there are many students. There may be chances of infection through the sneezing or coughing or direct contact with the other students. The healthy students will get the disease and they will spread those diseases to their houses. Then it is very important to keep the children, those who are suffering from communicable diseases, at their homes. We want to take the medicines in correct times. The prescriptions are given by the doctor. The tablets, the syrups, the capsules, and any type of medicine, whether it is Ayurvedic, allopathic or homeopathic medicines, we want to take the medicines in correct time intervals. Vaccination is very important to prevent the spreading of communicable diseases. There are vaccines, short term and long term and lifetime vaccines are there. The immunity, the resistance power to fight against the disease, that is get through the vaccination. There are vaccination for many diseases such as polio, tuberculosis, and there are diseases they can be controlled by giving vaccination: mumps, measles, rubella, pertussis, whooping cough. There are many diseases that are affecting the children. They are very dangerous diseases. For these diseases there are effective vaccination. So vaccinate the child to stay away from communicable diseases. The vaccination help us to increase our immunity. We should not throw the waste into the open places. These dumping places are breeding grounds of flies and mosquitoes. The flies will sit on these type of waste items and come to our houses. The flies sit on the food items and other articles. The hairs present on their legs, there will be germs. When we eat these food items unknowingly, the germs will enter into our body and we will get many diseases. So we should not throw the waste into the open places. We must put the waste into covered dustbins. We want to kill the mosquitoes or stop the breeding of mosquitoes to stay away from dangerous diseases like malaria, dengue and chikungunya. There are sprays to kill the mosquitoes. In puddles we can add kerosene oil or oil to kill the larvae of mosquitoes. The mosquito nets can be used in houses. The doors and windows should have wire netting to stop the entry of mosquitoes and other harmful insects. So it is very necessary to use a mosquito net while we are sleeping at night. Then children, when we cough and sneeze, many germs spread to the surrounding regions and others may get the disease. So we should use a handkerchief to cover our nose and mouth while coughing and sneezing. To chase away the mosquitoes from our body, there are some ointments or creams. When we spread out these creams on our skin, the mosquitoes will not bite our skin. The bed, pillows and some other articles, they cannot be washed. They should be put in the sun from time to time. Sunlight and fresh air is a natural disinfectant. The germs are killed by the hot sunlight. So we should keep the articles that cannot be washed, such as the mattresses, pillows and the blankets into the open sunlight, in the hot sunlight, to kill the germs. That is a very effective method for preventing the spreading of communicable diseases. We should not allow the houseflies enter into our houses. They feed on the decayed food material or spoiled food items and also on the dirt. Then from these dirty places, they accumulate germs on their legs. There are minute hairs on the legs. When they sit on other places, these germs spread in those areas. So it is said that the food items that is sold in the roadside shops or on the carts, where the roadside vendors are there, where uncovered food items are there, we should not eat such a type of food items because it may be spoiled by the flies and other insects. Then children, the cleanliness in our rooms. The rooms should be mopped and they should be swept regularly. Sweeping and mopping is very important. It will remove the dust and dirt and also it will remove the germs. We should wash the toilets and bathrooms regularly. That place are also breeding places of the germs. So children, all these are the methods to prevent the spreading of communicable diseases. With a new video, we will meet again. Thank you.